Today we will convert metric measurements to find perimeter, area, and volume. Use this pentagon to solve the problem. Enter the perimeter in centimeters of the pentagon. I know it's written here several times. Always convert your measurements first. Always convert your measurements first. Okay, so here I'm going to go from meters to centimeters. And what I already know about meters and centimeters is that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So anytime I'm going from meters to centimeters, I'm going to multiply by 100, which means my place value is going to get bigger by 2 place values. Okay, so here we go, 1, 2, that's 365 centimeters, 1, 2, that's 224 centimeters, 1, 2, 224 centimeters, 1, 2, 365 centimeters, 1, 2, 257 centimeters. I took these 5 measurements, 2, 3, 4, 5, and converted them into centimeters. Now, we need to actually find that perimeter. So I have 365, 224, 224, 365, and 257. Perimeter, remember, is when we add all the side lengths together. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 7 is 25. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 13. So here we have 1,335 centimeters. That's the perimeter of that shape. Let's continue on. Find the area of this rectangle in meters. Again, it's easier for us to convert. I know that I'm going from millimeters to meters, and 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. Well, I'm going to divide by 1,000 to get from 1,000 to 1. 1,000 divided by 1,000 equals 1. So I'm going to do the same thing to these values, getting 3 place values smaller. 1, 2, 3. So I have 10 meters. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 meters. Am I done? No. I need to find the area. Well, area equals length times width. So I'm going to plug this in and do 10 times 3, which gives us 30 meters squared. 30 meters squared is the area of this rectangle here. Find the volume of the right rectangular prism in millimeters. Well, I'm going from centimeters to millimeters. Write down what you know. Always do the conversion first. It's going to make it easier for you. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So to get from centimeters to millimeters, I multiply by 10. 1 times 10 is 10. So that means I'm going to get 1 place value bigger. And let's write down our volume formula just so we can plug it in. Length times width times height. Length times width times height. So that means I'm going to plug in 3 times 2 times 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 6 equals 36. So we have 36 millimeters cubed. 36 millimeters cubed is the volume for that shape. Let's look at our problem set and help us out. Find the perimeter of the trapezoid in centimeters. So I'm going from meters to centimeters. So I have 1 1/10 meters equals how many centimeters? I have 6/10 meters equals how many centimeters? 5/10 meters equals how many centimeters? And again, that 6/10 meters equals how many centimeters? I know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So anytime I go from meters to centimeters, I'm multiplying by 100, getting two place values bigger. 1, 2, I have 110 centimeters, 1, 2, 60 centimeters, 1, 2, 50 centimeters, 1, 2, 60 centimeters. It said perimeter, so what am I going to do now to finish up? Well, I'm going to add them. 110 plus 60 plus 50 plus 60. 0, 1 plus 6 7 equals 7, 7 plus 5 equals 12, 12 plus 6 equals 18, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So perimeter here is 280 centimeters. 280 centimeters. Always do that conversion first. It will make things a lot easier. Find the area of this rectangle in millimeters. So I'm using centimeters and going to millimeters. 1 2/10 centimeters equals how many millimeters? 0 3/10 centimeters equals how many millimeters? 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, so I'm multiplying by 10, getting one place value greater. Area equals length times width. So I'm going to multiply my 12 times 3, and we'll get 36 millimeters squared. That's the area of this rectangle in millimeters. Find the volume of this right rectangular prism in meters. So I'm going from centimeters to meters. I have 500 centimeters. I have 400 centimeters. And I have 300 centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So I'm going to divide by 100. 100 divided by 100 equals 1, getting two place values smaller. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So volume equals length times width times height. So we're going to do 4 times 3 times 5. We get 12. 12 times 5 gives us 60. So we have 60 meters cubed. That's the volume of this prism. So again, do your conversions first, then plug them into the formula and find the perimeter, area, or volume.